3, 2, 1.
Which set of numbers includes only positive numbers and their squares? The answer is D, square numbers. Two cities are located only 50 kilometers apart, and yet the cities have different climates. Which of these factors is the most likely cause of this difference in climate? The answer is A, elevation. How are Jed Clampett and Granny related on the TV series The Beverly Hillbillies? The answer is D, she is his mother-in-law. When a contestant selects the daily double on the game show Jeopardy, what is the least amount the player can wager? The answer is D, $5. Which fashion designer created the Biba brand in the 1960s and 70s? The answer is A, Mary Quant. Which animal has the fastest speed in water? The answer is A, dolphin. The language Javanese belongs to which language family? The answer is C, Austronesian. How many unsuccessful attempts did it take to finally create Dolly, the first successfully cloned mammal? The answer is B, 276. What is the term for a sudden drop in the stock market? The answer is B, crash. What is the most common type of wire in household wiring? The answer is B, copper wire. Who wrote the book Moby Dick? The answer is B, Herman Melville. What utensil is used to mix foods in a bowl? The answer is D, whisk. What is used to crack eggs easily? The answer is C, egg beater. In order for crops to grow food safely, pesticides are used on them. When it floods, this causes what to be poisonous? The answer is C, runoff. In which of these films did Hilary Duff star? The answer is A, all of the above. Lymph vessels are like blood vessels, except they move what instead of blood? The answer is A, lymph. What does IPO stand for in terms of Internet? The answer is A, initial public offer. Who played the role of Henry Desmond / Hildegard on the sitcom Bosom Buddies? The answer is D, Peter Scolari. What does AI stand for in technology terms? The answer is A, artificial intelligence. which would result in the worst consequences if placed in a full bathtub? The answer is B, a powered toaster. What is used for kneading dough? The answer is A, rolling pin. Which kitchen tool can be used to grate hard cheeses? The answer is A, zester. The Andes are the longest chain of mountains on which continent? The answer is D, South America. What type of lines run next to each other? The answer is C, contour lines. How do seed plants benefit from herbivores? The answer is B, dispersal of seeds. Blood volume increases substantially during pregnancy, so that by childbirth, it exceeds its preconception volume by 30%, or approximately what? The answer is B, 1-2 liters. What type of color is the shade called saffron? The answer is A, yellow. In the sport of American football, what is the term for scoring 6 points by carrying the ball into the opponent's end zone? The answer is A, touchdown. Who broke the record for longest hair length by a person? The answer is D, Abe Zabala, 56 feet. What is the term for biologically meaningful DNA sequences? The answer is B, genes. What is the name of the compound formed between potassium and water? The answer is B, potassium oxide. What is the name of the computer developed at MIT in the 1960s? The answer is D, Lincoln Laboratory Computer. What is a recession economically speaking? The answer is B, stagnation. Which plant has the deepest roots in the world? The answer is D, rhizome fern. Who holds the record for longest jump rope jump? The answer is C, Brian Jones. Who is the only 20th century U.S. president who was not elected as president or vice president by the people of the United States? The answer is B, Gerald Ford. From what is mead made? The answer is A, honey. Which capital has a famous mountain range named Aravalli? The answer is D, Chennai. On a sailing ship, which side is called port? The answer is D, left. What is Michelangelo's most famous sculpture? The answer is A, David. What is soft, warm, and fuzzy, but has a hard heart? The answer is A, teddy bear. Who won the most Grand Slam titles in tennis? The answer is A, Roger Federer. What speeds up the reactions of chemical digestion? The answer is D, digestive enzymes. What is the symbol for krypton? The answer is B, Kr. What fruit is used to make the liqueur, Cointreau? The answer is B, orange. What is the study of money and its uses called? The answer is D, money theory. What is the world's highest waterfall named after? The answer is D, Iguazu. Like the energy content in food, the energy expenditures of exercise are also reported in what units? The answer is D, kilocalories. What is the Greek word meaning to help make things easier? The answer is A, machine. What is the main language of Brazil?